Picture this. 4 million buyers can't be wrong. The Nissan Qashqai literally created the crossover segment, and now the 2025 model brings its biggest update yet. But here's what everyone's asking. Does Nissan's clever e-Power hybrid make this the perfect electric alternative, or is it just another crossover lost in the crowd? The average UK resident is never more than 500 meters from a Qashqai. That's insane success for this British-built SUV, and the 2025 changes might surprise you. Let's start with powertrains because this is fascinating. The lineup kicks off with a 1.3-liter mild hybrid delivering either 138 or 156 horsepower. These engines achieve 44 to 50 miles per gallon, seriously impressive for a family SUV. Choose between a 6-speed manual or smooth Xtronic automatic. But the star is e-Power. This isn't your typical hybrid. The petrol engine never drives the wheels. Instead, it generates electricity for a 188 horsepower electric motor. Think electric car that makes its own power. The result is instant torque, whisper quiet acceleration, and EV smoothness without plugging in. Brilliant engineering. Inside, Nissan has seriously stepped up. Every Qashqai gets a 12.3-inch touchscreen standard, even base models. Higher trims add Google built-in with proper Google Maps, plus access to Waze and Spotify. The matching 12-inch digital cluster creates this premium cockpit feel that punches way above its price. Cabin quality has transformed. Alcantara dashboard wrapping, customizable ambient lighting, quilted leather seats on Techno Plus. Even mid-spec models feel properly solid, fixing those old quality concerns. Driving delivers exactly what families want. Comfort beats sportiness. Ride quality impresses on 17 or 18-inch wheels. Those optional 20s look great but make things fidgety over bumps, so maybe skip them. The e-Power system transforms city driving. Using e-pedal step, you drive with one pedal, the car slowing automatically when you lift off. Makes traffic almost relaxing. Highway cruising keeps the generator humming quietly in the background. Safety scores 5 stars from Euro NCAP. 91% occupant protection. Every model gets blind spot monitoring, lane keeping, automatic emergency braking. ProPilot on higher trims adds semi-autonomous highway capability. Value is where Qashqai dominates. Starting just over £30,000, it undercuts rivals while packing more standard kit. Sweet spot? The T at $43,000 with heated seats, heated wheel, big screens, and Nissan's new 10-year warranty. Bottom line, the Qashqai isn't trying to excite enthusiasts. It's not fastest or most luxurious. What it is? Brilliant at being exactly what families need. Practical, efficient, well-equipped, with genuine quality finally matching its sensible nature. That e-Power offers electric motoring without charging hassles, while mild hybrids deliver impressive economy. Perfect? No. Steering lacks feel, bigger wheels hurt comfort, keen drivers will find it bland. But Nissan knows their audience. 4 million sales prove they give people exactly what matters. Safe, sensible, spacious transport that just works. This 2025 update makes their bestseller even better. Sometimes playing it safe is the smartest move. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.